and welcome back to my channel. You guys clicked on this video to see how I get my hair from this to this is what I've showered and it's wet, so I'm gonna do the whole routine. So I have 3 products, tried and true, trusted, my favorite products that I use to get my hair to curly. You are not using any heat. You're using products that are good for your hair. According to you guys, I did a poll on my Instagram and I was like, straight or curly hair? And everyone was like, curly, curly, curly. So, and then they all wanted to know how I get my hair curly as well. So I'm here to show you guys that. So this is what my hair looks like when it's drying. I do have naturally curly hair, not ringlet. I'd say like it's more like a wave. But this just gives my hair that extra oomph, volume, curls, everything. First thing you're gonna need is a spray bottle. These are things that you can get from dollar store, and just a hair towel. Yeah, first thing you're gonna do, first things first, is you're gonna take your hair, spray bottle, spray your hair. Let's do this. Let's get into business. Just spray your hair. You don't need too much because my hair is already wet. And now you're going to just take your hands through it. Fuck it up, sis. Fuck it up. Fucking it up. Have you guys heard that new track from Iggy? Listen to it. So the first product that I use here is this from Beautiful Textures Much Better Whipped Curly Cream. Looks like this. Has a whole bunch of product in it like this. You can use this if you're light, like mixed. It works really good. I'm actually gonna snap. People keep calling me, writing down my phone, and it's getting really annoying. Honestly, do not call me during the day. Don't call me until after fucking 5 p.m. Don't bring me down. I will block your number. Unless it's an emergency, please do not call me. And it's usually guys just like fuck off. I don't want to suck your dick or fuck you. I'm busy. Anyways. Back to the video, which my hair is now dry because someone had to interrupt. Now, I use just a little bit of the butter, like not that much, just because my hair is very thin. This one is really good when you just come right out of the shower, and it gives those like soft, natural curls. I like to be extra. Now, this is the one that really gets my hair really curly. My hair fucking loves this. So it's Shae Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Gel. So weird. I just take a little, kind of a lot. Bend over, bend over, bend over, bend over. Back way. Back way. What? Okay, thank you. I'm just filming another video. My brother's like, of course you are. You know, work hard, gotta get money. Ladies. And that's it. You're done. Last thing that is like my favorite, and I love to finish with this one because it leaves my hair just smelling so fucking good. But then I found out Bath and Body Works has hairspray. A spray for your hair that makes your hair smell good. That's why I love this, because it made my hair smell really pretty. It's this olive oil, hold and shine wrap set, infused with coconut oil. Tame frizz, adds body and fast drying. Tame's frizz, I need that. Bend over again. Then, once you're done with that, the towel now, you're gonna just take, and you're literally gonna just dry it with a towel. I've seen a lot of people use blow dryers, however, the heat's really bad for your hair. And you're taking like your hand and you're just grabbing and crunching. But yeah, this is what it looks like when it's done. You can go ahead and add some more mousse, whatever you'd like if you want. But this is literally what I do to get my curly hair. That is my hair routine. It's really simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for the recommendation. I would have never even thought to do this, and it was such an easy, quick video. So thank you. For any of you guys who have video ideas or recommendations or things that you'd like to see from me, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!